Hello, Jordan. I received your question. Let's see about the problems on page 506, 517. Let's see which problems were. Problem 41, tangent negative 135 degrees, and then problem 55, cosine of negative 180 degrees. The directions say find the reference angle and the exact function value if they exist. So we have two parts here. These two particular problems, you could actually just punch in a calculator and get the value, but that wouldn't help with the reference angle. So we want number 41. We want to find a tangent of negative 135 degrees. Well, I like to draw that angle. So I'm going over here on my Cartesian coordinate system here. We're going to draw an angle in standard position. Its angle's negative, so negative, means clockwise as opposed to positive, which is counterclockwise. So I want to go at negative 135 degrees. Well, I'll start here. If this would be negative 90, I keep going to negative 135 would be somewhere in quadrant 3. Here, we start here. This would be negative 90, negative 180. So it's between negative 90 and negative 180. We're asked to find the reference angle of the first part, and so the reference angle would be here. It always comes from the x-axis to the terminal side of the angle. It's always an acute angle, less than 90. It's always positive. So we want to find that angle, given that this angle is a negative 135 degrees. Okay. Well, if we come all the way around here, do a halfway around, that'd be negative 180. Well, so this is negative 135. We want to find this part here, which would just be 180 minus 135, which is going to be 45. So the reference angle is 45 degrees. Okay, and so what we can do over here. This will equal the tangent of the reference angle, and since you're in quadrant 3, tangent's positive. Now you could just put that in your calculator, or you can go to page, see what page was it, 483, where they give you the exact value. Tan, 45 degrees is 1, and so if I come over here, this is equal to 1. Now we want to repeat this for problem 55, except the angle, negative 180. Well, in this case, it's not going to have a reference angle. If we come all the way around here, this is negative 180 degrees, and the reference angle will be the the angle between the x-axis and the terminal side of this angle. Well, the x-axis, this angle goes to the x-axis, so there's not a reference angle. So this particular problem, anytime the angle is a multiple of 90, that's just a special case. It's cosine, and we're on a negative x-axis, so it's going to be a negative. And you just pick any point along this line, say like negative 1, 0. I mean, it's going to be the x value there, negative 1. Hope that helps. Bye.